All right, so let's talk about how to make your own custom millions mapped link to send to your clients so that they can download the Millions Mapped app and you can track every single home that they have looked at, clicked on, requested information on. This is a great tool. I personally love this tool through Millions or through Inside Real Estate. Inside Real Estate is a company that basically created KV Core and created conversion. So they have this app called Millions Mapped that's basically a application version of KV Core. So you have your website here. So normally, if somebody was going to go to, let's say, go to your website on their phone, they would have to actually go to a browser and type in your website. Basically, what Millions Mapped is Millions Mapped is a app version of your website, which I really like. But here's the deal. If someone just goes to Millions Mapped on the App Store, they would download the app, and then they wouldn't be automatically assigned to any particular agent. All right? But what KV Core allows you to do, this gives you a really awesome, what I'm about to show you is a really awesome way to basically send people a link to download Millions Mapped, and then through some very fancy code in the back end, it will automatically make you the preferred recommended agent on every single home they look at. It's like your own personal Zillow. So it's basically like a Zillow app, and it's personally branded just for you and only you. All right? So if that doesn't sound powerful to you, I don't know what is. But I really like this, especially for clients that I've been working with. Because people like to have an app to look at stuff on their phone, and sometimes the mobile version on the browser is a little bit hard to look at or hard to zoom in and different things like that and get more information. The app is pretty easy to use, and again, you're always the only agent on the website or on the app if you send them this link using the steps I'm about to show you. Okay, so as I showed just a couple seconds ago, in the top right-hand corner, there's your name or probably your email. If you click on this drop down, it will drop down all these different tabs, but the second one down is going to open up, if you click on it, your website. So it'll open up your website here. Normally it's your first name, your last name, .exprealty.com, okay? Now, to create your own personal Millions Mapped link, all you're going to do is you're simply going to you're going to put your cursor at the end of this link, okay? You're going to do /, you're going to do app.php, okay? So again, it's nickmccree.exprealty.com /app.php, okay? And so what I want you to do is I want you to take this link, and we're either going to we're gonna copy this and save that anywhere, or what we're gonna do is just go to it and probably just save this somewhere, so you have it as your favorite. But copy that link, nickmccree.exprealty.com /app.php. That is the link that we're going to use, for example, in a call capture method. If you wanted to text that to somebody, or if you wanted to email it to somebody, or if you wanted to, send a personal text message to someone, that is your personal link. And as you see here, it opens up here into this Millions Mapped app. And now if they download it on their iPhone or Android, although this isn't branded to you yet, I promise you, as soon as they download this app, your face, your name, your branding comes right up on their phone and says, hey, Nick McCree recommended you to download this Millions Mapped app. He is your preferred agent, and he is in this area, etc., etc., etc. It's got all of your information there, everything branded from your profile on KV Core. It's already preloaded, all of your data, and so that your contact info, everything they need to reach you. Again, it's basically your own personal Zillow portal. I absolutely love it. I think, obviously some people will think that maybe the app can look better or do more things and whatever. I just really like it to function kind of as a replacement for Zillow. So, we all know that all of our leads, whether we like it or not, no matter what, they're always on Zillow, right? And they're there all the time looking at homes. Even though my whole objective is to always get people to look on my website as opposed to Zillow. But some people just like the look and feel of an app. They just want to click on something on their phone and go to it. So I say, hey, well, my company actually, with a very cutting-edge eXp Realty company, they're changing how real estate's being done. We actually have an app that is linked to our website, and I'll send you a link. And so what I'll do is I'll text them the link, nickmccree.exprealty.com/app.php. And when I text that to them and they click on the link, it'll open up this page on their phone, just like you see here. And it will basically open up the link and it will create my own personally branded Zillow app. And now it's branded to me, and they can go and view homes. They have all the same search features as they do on your website or as they do on Zillow. They can get a free home valuation similar to a Zestimate. They can request information. They can reach out to you. I mean, they can interact with you basically in every different way. It looks pretty much the exact same, and it's very easy to use. And again, it's a great way to keep your leads using on your website. Again, no matter what, if they keep this app and they're looking at homes, doesn't matter if it's today or 10 years from now, and they have the same app that they downloaded from this link you sent them, basically, you'll be the only agent they see, and they should be the only agent they use, which ultimately is the goal. So that is how you create your own personal link through KV Core. I'll show that actually one more time just in case you guys missed it. So you go to your website, you click your cursor next to the end of it, you type /app.php. That is going to be your custom link. So this is my custom link. Yours will be with your name, and that's how you're going to send them to Millions Mapped, and that is how you're going to have your own personal Millions Mapped portal through KV Core.